greatest common divisor, also known as the greatest common factor or highest common divisor of two integers in the largest positive integers that divides by both number without leaving a remainder. In other words, it is the largest number that both number can be evenly divided by. The GCD is often used in various mathematical and computational contexts such as simplifying fractions and finding common factor. The least common multiply LCM is the smallest positive integers that is a multiply of two or more number. It's the smallest number that is divisible by all the given number. Prime factorization involving decomposing a number into a product of its prime factor. Division by prime are integrally in this process, as you can repeatedly divide it by smallest prime until no further divisions is possible. The Euclidean algorithm, on the other hand, is a technique for further determining the greatest common divisor of two numbers by subtracting the smallest number from the large one until they equal, with the last non-zero remainder being the GCD. In the example, we will explain the GCD using Euclidean algorithm. Let's continue with example of GCD. Let's look at the example. Find the GCD of 64 and 40. 64 divided by 40 equal to 1 with a remainder of 24. And then 40 divided by 24 with 1 with a remainder of 60. And 24 divided by 60 equal to 1 with a remainder of 8. And 60 divided by 8 with 2 with a remainder of 0. And we stop here since we already got a remainder of 0. The last number we use to divide is 8. So the GCD of 64 and 40 is 8.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed. My matic number is 2600292, and I will continue with the example of LCM. The question is, if A 180 and B 13, find the least common multiplier, LCM. We will use the way of answer this issue by using prime factorations, which is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. So let's start first with 180. So 180 divided to 2 to give us 90. 90 divided by 2 will give us 45. 45 divided by 3 will give us 15, and then 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. So 5 here, we can't divide it because it's one of the prime factorations. So the same thing goes to 13. So here we have 2 2's, so it will be 2 power 2. 3, we have 3 times will 2 times will be 3 power 2, and 5 only 1. And the same goes to 13. So 2 multiplied 2 will be 4. 3 multiplied 3 will be 9, and here 5. And beside the 5 is 13. So then we will multiply all of them. It will give us 2,340. So the LCM of 180 and 13 is 2,340. That's all the explanations that we have done regarding LCM and GCD. Thank you. In the end, The distributions of the parts and responsibilities have done by two members, Mira and me, Mohammed. So basically, the introduction uh, explained by Mira, and the content explained by me and Mira. She took GCD, and I have taken LCM, and by the end, the conclusion, it's done by me. Every person has every person does their own Canva and explain their part very well. Thank you.